Hi, my name is Jed Yong. I'm Executive Director and Sales Manager of Asset Management from YNY Technology. So YNY Technology specializes in Enterprise Asset Management Solution. So today I want to introduce to you Hexagon Enterprise Asset Management. I think there's 4 key components of a good enterprise asset management, right? The first component is asset management. Asset management digitizes and stores all your asset data inside the system. And inside asset management, you can find what are the spare parts of your asset, what are the inventories of your asset, and all the preventive maintenance, right, of the asset. So essentially what you have of asset management is you have all your asset data and your maintenance data all in one system. Okay, and next, work management. With work management, we have all the work orders digitized and synchronized in the system, and also when is the next maintenance for your asset, when is the if there's any condition monitoring or any condition that needs to be triggered for work management, the system will generate work order. For example, if temperature is too high, or when the production is too low, or whenever the next maintenance is coming, the work order management will trigger the next work order. So you do not have to track manually in Excel anymore. In the system, you can look at a glance all the next previous maintenance and the next maintenance that is coming. Third, inventory management. A lot of company faces a problem of tracking the inventory, right? Well, how much inventory you are storing, when the inventory is too high, or if you're buying too much spare part, or if you have not enough spare part for the next maintenance. So inventory management captures all the spare parts required in your factory or in your enterprise level. And then you can also set level of minimum and maximum, so you do not have to store too much inventory or too little inventory when you need it, right? So that is for inventory management. And lastly, with all these 3 components, you have reporting and analytics as well. So for Hexagon Enterprise Asset Management, with these 3 components, you will have a full glance of your assets, asset health, right? When is the next maintenance, and also all the work that needs to be done this week, next month, or the entire year. So the company is able to plan their maintenance effectively and properly. So with a good enterprise asset management system like Hexagon, what is offered by YNY, you are able to have a holistic view of your entire asset and what are the maintenance job to be done, and also, of course, what are your asset health. So it's very important for a company to have a good enterprise asset management solution. So for more information, please contact myself, Jet, from YNY Technology. Thank you.